Hi, Mike here. I'm here to talk to you about driveway sealing and repairing. Driveway and asphalt repairs, if we don't get to them, the cracks, the separations in the pavement, they get worse and worse. You get grass growing up through them during the summer months, pushes it apart a little bit. Worse is that then in the wintertime, water gets down in between, freezes, and pushes the cracks apart even further. So we really want to try and stop that process from happening. So we got some suggestions here to help you with that. I'm going to start with this product here. This is in the form of a caulking tube. This basically is to help fill a crack. You know, the crack might be across the driveway. The crack could be between the driveway and the foundation of the house. This helps keep it nice and neat when you're doing it along that driveway house foundation line. It keeps it neat and clean. For cracks in the middle of the driveway, this is an option here. This is a pourable crack filler. Basically, you invert this, and it's got a little cap on the top that allows you to squirt it out. And you just walk along and squeeze the bottle and squeeze it out into the crack. These are trowel type patches. This one has got a sand mix in it, so it can do a deeper crack. This one doesn't have the sand mix. It's a latex base, so it has elasticity. It'll help avoid cracking later on. This one actually goes on brown, but it dries black over time. You can use it to fill a wide crack, but you can also use it when you have spider webbing in your pavement. And what you can do is just take it, drop it down onto that surface, and with the putty knife, just spread it out and work it down into the surface and help seal it up. For big cracks and or holes, there's patch. This patching material, or cold patch, is basically, it has an adhesive and an aggregate. It's meant for larger holes, larger separations. It's meant for areas that are more than 1 inch and less than 4 inches. So good for potholes. It's good for divots in the driveway that have formed through the sinkhole or that type of thing. Once you have the driveway patched up and relatively smooth, you can consider using these products here. These products are products that you would use to seal the driveway, make it look uniform, help keep water out of the smaller cracks. Generally, you would use these products first to fill those bigger holes, and then this to coat it to make it look uniform. When applying the driveway sealer, you would use a brush like this. This has got a squeegee on one side to help you move the product along, and then a brush to work it into the nooks and crannies. Also, I should mention that when you're using the patch, the cold patch, you need to tamp it down to work out the air. And this is a tamper that you would use. And basically, you just take it and pound the surface where you put that patch to remove any air pockets, to smooth it out, to level it out, and make it even with the surrounding area. So that's about it. If you want to come in and ask questions, we're here to help you out. More than willing to work with you. Take care.